Hey, Camille in the Studio Birds here with a special guest this month. My daughter, Anna Marie, has joined us to show us a cool little tutorial about how to make a paper spring. And when she was young, how old were you, do you think?
Third or fourth grade.
Third or fourth grade, she learned how to make these paper springs and she just put them all over everything. So she used them as antennas or she used them as a device for pop-up books. So I thought that we could have her show us how to make these paper springs today. So Anna, take it away. What are you
Okay.
going to need for these paper springs?
So first you'll need two strips of paper, and they can be whatever size you want depending on how big you want your spring to be. Like my mom showed, I did some that were smaller, and then these are pretty big, probably about an inch wide, and then, I don't know, a foot and a half long or so. And you're also going to need some scissors to trim it at the end, and then a glue stick as well. So to begin this, you just need to put them perpendicular like this, and then use your glue stick to glue the beginning together. And make sure that when you put these together, they're pretty straight, that the edges line up, or it will be a little wonky later on. So you just start by folding over one side and then folding over the other, and you'd basically just alternate that until your spring is as big as you want it to be. I'll probably go until the end of this paper though, and then I'll just trim off the excess.
So you like to make these for friends and for cards, and you did this activity. Where did you learn how to do this?
I think I learned it from you.
Did you
Didn't
teach
I?
it to your friends, do you think?
I don't think so.
It looks kind of like a cootie catch or something that a lot of kids made when they were about that age.
Maybe. I can't remember if I did that or not.
It seems that a lot of people now, parents and grandparents and aunts and uncles, are making crafts with their kids right now. So do you think kids would like to do this sort of a thing?
Yeah. It's fun because you can do it with a lot of different projects and a lot of different ways.
Be used for lots of different things. That was your
Yeah.
first artist book sort of thing.
Yeah. So here you can see I'm kind of at the end, and this one doesn't go all the way across. So to finish it, you just use your glue stick again and put some on that last panel. And then I have a little bit extra, so I'll just use my scissors to trim that off. And then you can see it's not perfectly straight, but when you pull it out,
Oh,
then you have your nice paper spring.
that looks cool. Awesome. Thanks for showing us that, Anna. And if you want to check out other patterns that you might be able to do with young people, check out my Etsy shop. And from Anna Marie and Camille and the Studio Birds,
Thanks
thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.